Hi everybody, welcome to another edition of James Jam. I'm Jame. This is my jam. And I have some unboxings or reveals for you today. Just a few, so I'm just going to go over them here. Let's see. Let's start with the easiest reveal one. I just want to show you something really cute I made. And I made this little, it's like a Pikatin. Let's see my little.
Not a Pikachu?
No. It's from Babylon Leather. This is not sponsored, nothing like that. This isn't a sponsored video. They had these, and I thought they were super cute. So I've made now a couple of the Birkins. They're little miniature Birkins. I don't have one really close to me right now.
I think that's for the Geico Gecko.
But then they had this Pikatin, and I made it. Now, I am going to say, I've made a little Kelly, a little Birkin, and now this little Pikatin. And if I always have down in my description box down below a link to Babylon Leather, and then you can use my code. It's down there for a percentage off if you want to. A lot of times they run things right on their site as well. But I wanted to get some of these little like purses to use them as bag charms. They come with a little like silk tie, and I'm just going to use that to probably tie it to whatever I put this on. So I did the Kelly. No problem. Easy to put together. Super fun. Just sat there and did it while I was watching TV. Did the Birkin. I did 2 Birkins. Again, super fun. Really easy to do. Put it together watching TV.
How was this one?
Don't start on a Pikatin. I got it done. And I think it turned out really, really nice. But I think I got it done because I knew how to do them, because I had done so many, because this one was tricky. This one, you had to flip the thing inside out and right side in, and that's not so bad, but there was some times when you were trying to get the needle in that I'm like, okay, I gotta move the bag just right to get the needle in just right. So, as cute as this is, and I do think it's cute, if it was me and I was going to get any more of these, I don't think I'll be getting any more Pikatins. Not unless I really, really feel like I want a challenge. Because to me, the Kellys and the Birkins are just as cute and way easier to put together than this little Pikatin. But I wanted to show everybody because it's so cute. It's just this cute little thing. So I wanted to show you that. All right, then let's see. We'll save Coach for last. I have something from Coach, and then I have another box. And now, you've probably seen enough of these, and I've had some people tell me they like these unboxings. So, I'm going to do the unboxing. This came in another box. A box in a box. So, I just figured I took it out of the original box, but I still have to open it. And once you purchase these, first off, when you go, the site's pretty funny. You have to shake your box. If these are available, they'll say that they're available, and then they're like, okay, shake the box you get. And then you shake it, and it'll say, they'll give you one clue, like, we can tell you it's definitely not this one or that one. And then if you want more information to, like, try to narrow it down so you can see if you really want to purchase this one or not, then you have to use points, which I don't have any points, but apparently you can earn points and then use them to get more information. So, like, here's the different ones you can get of this. This is the Hacipupu. I don't know. I just think they're cute. So
that baby talk?
Yeah. These are the ones you can get. There's a chaser, but so say you really wanted purple, and these were available on the site, and then you click. They'll say pick one to possibly purchase, and you pick it up, and it says this is definitely not purple. Well, then you wouldn't want to pick that box. You'd want to pick a different box. So it's kind of how it works. You get that, but it doesn't narrow it down really well for you. Like, okay, we can tell you it's not this one. So, I mean, about the only help it is if you find out it's definitively one that you want, you obviously don't want to purchase that one, but it doesn't help you really find out much more about what you're going to get here. So, but once you purchase it, then you can click on, basically it's like, tell me what it is, or it'll, after a few, like 20 seconds or something, it'll automatically pop up what it is. Well, I always log or click out because I don't want to know what it is.
You want it to be a surprise?
Yes, I want it to be like a true unboxing. It's not very much fun to do an unboxing if you already know what it is you're unboxing. So...
Just things we say to a toddler. Hacipupu?
Right? Now, I don't know if this is... Okay, if this is just the color, because it matches the front color. Oh, I just looked at the card.
Yeah,
Darn it.
cheater.
I didn't mean to, but I... Yeah, and these smell.
That's me.
No, it's not. I saw, but I like it. Gosh, these smell really good. I got the little yellow one.
Looks like a chick.
Can you smell it?
Smells like lemon.
Yeah.
Pledge.
No. What's this one called?
Verbena.
What's the yellow one called?
It smells like lemon, but it's pineapple flavor.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that could be pineapple too. Oh, this is cute. She's got brown eyes and it's super, super soft. So just for comparison's sake,
Yeah, I thought it was a baby chick at first.
I'll show you. Oh, here's a Big Energy Labubu versus a Hacipupu.
Yes, I do actually.
Here's, oh, stop it. Here's the little pig. I forgot what brand this is.
Porky?
And then here's got my Skull Panda over here. Say they're more like the Skull Panda size. Yeah.
Just
then,
not as frightening.
Right? That's not frightening. I'm trying to think of what bag I put my Care Bear. Oh, he's over there. Care Bear's smaller. But I love how this smells. So I just got this one. If I get any more, it'll probably be these. I think these are just really super cute. And they're super soft. They're definitely softer than these. They're pretty close. Okay, they're pretty close. But I like these better than these. Not that I don't like those, but if I had to pick. But I love this. So I got the little Hacipupu girl. And then lastly, I thought I had ordered something from the Halloween drop from Coach that didn't show up in my package when I did my last unboxing or unboxing. And I looked and it wasn't in there when I showed everybody everything because I did the full unboxing in front of everybody. And I thought, I'm sure I ordered that, but maybe I didn't. So I went back and I checked my order and sure enough, I did order it. So I get a hold of them. I said, hey, you didn't send this. They're like, oh, yeah, we're out of those. So what I wanted to get, or when I originally had ordered, was the little wristlet with the ghost and pumpkin on it. But they're like, yeah, we're out of that. And I'm like, okay, do I get a credit back on my card? No, we'll give you store credit. Well, of course, they'll give me store credit. So I went on the website to spend my store credit. And this is what I got. So it came in a little, one of those bags that when you open it up, the gray fluff goes everywhere. So I didn't figure we needed to watch me open that.
We say those are the bastard bags. Bastard, there's shit all over.
So here is, I don't even remember what I got. I knew I got a charm.
I don't remember what I got.
But I don't
shop
remember
online so frequently.
What charm I got. Oh, sure. The first thing I slide off is the clasp.
Oh, that's pretty clasp.
Okay, and here's the little lock. It's like a brown lock. And then like a white or gray key. Oh, and a little heart. So it's like a set of keys. That's what I got. So instead of the wristlet, I got the little keychain. And it's got the regular hook and this. Can you see that good? Oh, the heart's got a little rainbow on it too.
Taste the rainbow.
Right? Or the Hacipupu.
No, thank you.
So I thought this was cute. Like it'll maybe go in my an orange bag or a pink bag or a brown bag. bet you it's close to
Brown
the
bag.
color.
You taking that for lunch tomorrow?
I wondered if it was. No, it's not. I was thinking maybe it'd be close to the LV color, but it's not. So that's what I have for you today. Just that's these small unboxings. I'm throwing stuff away and missing. Just a small unboxing for you. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing. I would really appreciate it. I do put out videos on Wednesdays and Saturdays that are generally luxury and contemporary handbag related content or small leather goods as well. Although I do have a story time coming up probably this weekend where I will tell you a little bit more about what has been going on with me. I have alluded to it a little bit in some of my bag swaps, but it's become a bigger issue. So I just wanted to talk about it in case it helps anybody else out. Let's see. I do bag swap videos on Mondays.
You do?
Hacipupu.
Okay.
On Mondays, I switch from one bag to the next, and I give you a little bit of information on both the bag I was using and the bag I'm going to be using. I also switch out all my small leather goods and show you those and talk about those as well. On certain Thursdays, I do book-related videos.
We're going to change it just to random.
Random Thursdays, yes. So if you see a Thursday video come up of mine, it's going to be book-related. It might be a book haul. It might be talking about books. It might be talking about what I've been reading, what I want to read, things like that. But
showing people how to check out books at the library?
No, that won't be done. But that'll be a Thursday video. You can find me over on Instagram. I'm there as well at James Jam. It's just JAME_S_Jam. And until next time, please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
So is this one of the potential Halloween outfits for the year? Little Red Riding Hood?
No, what'd you call me? Red Rum? No, Red Squirrel? What did you call me? Just when we sat down to film, you called me something, red something. But yeah, it's my red comfort sweatpants and my red sweater.
Thanks for sharing.
Okay.